Hello, dear students. Welcome back to e-classes of Statistics Standard 11th. In this video, we are going to begin new chapter, that is chapter number 8, function. So let's first understand what is function. So here is the definition of a function. Let's read it. If A and B are any two non-empty sets and each element of set A is related with one and only one element of set B by some rule or correspondence f, then f is called a function from A to B. Symbolically, it is denoted by function from A to B. That means a function is basically something that connects one set with another set in a particular way. Either it can be with some rule or any correspondence. Now, what is the set? There are two sets. Suppose A and B are two non-empty sets. Now, what is set? A set is just a group or the collection of things, and most of the times it's a collection of numbers, but it can also be any other things like letter names. So the elements of set A relates to the elements of set B either by rule or any relation or any correspondence, that is called function from A to B. So that was a definition of function. Now set A will be called domain and set B will be called codomain. So let's understand what is domain and what is codomain. So now let's read what is domain, codomain and range of a function. If function is function from A to B, then domain of a function can be set A of elements x is called domain of a function f. It is denoted by df. So the set A will be called as domain and it is denoted by df. Then codomain of a function, so that means set B with the elements y is called codomain of a function f. So set A will be always domain and set B will always be codomain. Now range of a function, a set of images or functional values y or fx of all the elements x of set A is called range of the function f. It is denoted by RF. Here, the main important thing about range is that range is codomain itself. That means range and codomain is one and the same thing, or a subset of codomain. So codomain and range is one and the same thing. How it is written, how it is denoted as RF. So it is denoted by RF. So RF is equals to, that means range is equals to function x such that x belongs to A. So we studied about the meaning, definition of functions and domain, codomain and range of function. Now let's have a quick revision of what we studied. So let's have a look on the basic things of the chapter that is related to. First is set. What is set? A group of well-defined things. Either it can be number, letters, names. Second, x belongs to A. So here it can be read as x belongs to A and sign of belong is written here. Third, n. N means set of natural numbers that starts with 1, 2, 3, 4 and to the infinity. Z, set of integers. Z is set of integers that can be negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. R is set of real numbers. Empty set is denoted as or written as with two brackets, two curvy brackets. The non-empty set is equals to, that means some elements in that. Non-empty means it's not empty, some elements will be there, any numbers or letters or names like 1 2 3 4 5 a b c d e f. Then function, how can it be a function? Either by rule, relation or correspondence. Notation for functions, for functions f g h k, any letter can be used. So the functions can be written as fx, gx, hx, kx. Okay, then function defined, it is defined for non-empty sets. Meaning of f from a to b, that means function f from a to b. Then set A is always dominant. Then next is set B, that is always codominant. That means set of images of elements A. Then range RF is equals to fx such that x belongs to A. RF is always codominant or subset of codominant. So here we have finished the basic of chapter 8 functions. All the basic things of function is being covered in this video. In next video we are going to begin new topic, that is types of function. Till then, revise the topic, go through it thoroughly. Thank you.